Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can obtain blessing. How to summon in Celestial Alternate Summon Part 2. So you have to obtain blessing. So I made this video is for beginner that still confused how to summon in this game. Let's get started by tap this event icon. Tap, and this is the event page. Go to this special supply. So this is the Celestial Alternate Summon a part 2. Obtain a blessing to increase the probability of summoning the corresponding legendary hero. So before you summon, you can tap this one, hero overview. This is the hero collection that you can get from this summon banner, and you can tap the information of the hero. Just tap the one hero here like this, for example this hero Felicity, and you can tap one by one and tap go summon. So in this banner you have to use this Heliolite stone. Same with this Heliolite summon, you have to summon with this stone or dice, this one. So this event is end in 8 days and 7 hours from since I made this video. So you can summon the heroes by 5 dice, and you have to use this hero's blessing. Select a hero to receive blessing. So learn first this condition before summon in this banner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.